honestly. I think that people should just do whatever is healthiest and most beneficial to them and not worry about it too much if other people do it. Like with gay rights, you know, just do, really live your truth, you know? But seriously, definitely just live out your truth. This place, I'm trying to fucking take a video over here. The fuck, man? That guy is not living his truth. What does Mother Nature mean to you?
I don't know. That's really complicated. Mother Nature. I mean, what is Mother Nature? Nobody can really tell me what Mother Nature is. You know what I'm saying? Nobody knows. I mean, plants have feelings, trees have feelings, grass, you know. But what kind of feelings? You know? Like, you know?
Whoa!
That's why talk about Space Force and whatnot. And Hawking, God rest his soul, like he said, at some point we're gonna have to colonize in space. Just think about, like, I was watching Fear Factor the other night, and we still have poverty everywhere. Every state, every town, people are poor, you know? So, back to the original question, Mother Nature, you know, I don't understand it. I don't think anybody really does. Because life is short.
Life is short.
Get a bunch of fish, he was like, throw your net into the water, and they did. And when they pulled it back in, there was like dozens of fish.
Oh, it's actually okay to eat fish. Jesus said so.
From what I know, yes, I believe it's okay to eat fish.
It's interesting because Jesus did also say in his list of rules for humanity, one of them is thou shalt not kill, which, like you said, don't quote me. You know, I haven't really read the Bible like that, but he said he gives fish for the people that need to eat. So it's almost contradictory, but also maybe not. Maybe you're right. Maybe fish don't have feelings like that. They don't have any feelings. I am from Nirvana. Maybe like 2 steps back, and then I think, yeah, I think she does have the right to abort a child because, you know, rape comes into the question. You know, because it's always going to bring that woman back to that time, and that's tough. That's wicked hard, you know. But also, I understand that, you know, there's potential within every living being. Say whatever, you know, it doesn't really matter. I think the option should be there, but I don't think it should be taken upon so nonchalantly. I don't know. I am a woman and I've been raped. I'm sorry. You know, people really ask that, but I would say about 88% of the time, people don't really give a shit what's going on. So when people say what's going on, I like to just say that I'm chilling.
Bucket freestyle. People the same. People don't change. I feel all the pain. The only time I feel myself is when it rains. When it rains, it pours. I open these doors. It's all a good cause. Yeah, I'm a dog. But I clean my paws. I ain't on that dirty shit. I ain't on that be home at 10:30 shit. We didn't give a fuck. We could have died. I could have lied when I said that I did that lie. Yeah, I hate. Yeah, I talk shit. But I don't know what to say when I'm walking. Fuck it, man. Fuck it. Just feels black.
You know, they say that black is the absence of light.
That's it, man. It's not even it's not actually a color.
I learned, speaking of color, that my bird, he has a whole other lens in his eye because he can see a completely different spectrum of color. So why have you been thinking about black things? Why have you been thinking about darkness?
No, it never truly goes away, you know. Whew. What a day, man.
Today has been a wild day though, you're right. What would you do if all of your comforts were gone? No more Grand Theft Auto, no more Red Bull. And that yellow van over there, I think there's a family that lives in that van.
Yeah? This is where I'm gonna part ways.
I am a woman